Rahim. Start in the name of Allah, entirely merciful, especially merciful. Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers, friends, students. I am Johar Imam of the interview channel. My dear viewers, learn next kind of noun, which is countable nouns. Without wasting time, let's start. Countable noun. My dear viewers, panan video ke bamuda noun yo balki samwayu au hagade countable noun. The countable noun da sashirim au da noun communication de no pade bande to pedulu da par razichi definitions au examples uguru. Countable noun are those noun that can be counted. Countable noun da haga noun di kumchesh meralshi munge cheshmeralishu. For example, we can say that dua kitabuna, dre kitabuna, salor studentan, pinjas kuluna. No das noun chukum shmeralishu hage tamu countable noun. Why